Self-care. How do you take care of yourself? When you get angry, how do you calm yourself down? When you in the state of craving, how do you stop? How do you slow down and see that your craving, your desire can only harm your body, harm your state of mind, and really harm your life? This is it. It is time to change yourself for the better. It is time to get up and get out and start to move this body. That's right. Compassion in action. Time for you to do something for yourself. You can make it happen. You are the hero of yourself. Always keep that positive attitude, keep that positive thought so that you can have full of energy to handle whatever comes on your day. That's right. A day of mindfulness that you can train yourself to be, and you can be anywhere and still be at peace and be happy with yourself. Nhìn xa hiểu rộng để biết mình. Tỉnh thức trong ta có đâu xa. Một ngày chánh niệm có đâu xa. Sống đời hiện tại có thấy không? When you look far and you see wide, you can truly understand yourself and know yourself. This is a moment you truly are being mindful and be aware of every step and every moment of your life. By returning yourself, you will truly see the meaning of your life. Living life regularly, do you see the mindfulness in you? Nhìn xa hiểu rộng để biết mình. Tỉnh thức quay về ở trong ta. Một ngày chánh niệm có đâu xa. Sống đời hiện tại có thấy không? I hope you see through the true within you. I hope you truly clear your mind and live life in a meaningful way. Whatever happened in the past is already gone and over with. Let it go and move on. That's right. Keep moving on just like a river is flowing through all the different streams, parts of the land. And guess what? In the end, it will go straight to the ocean of knowledge, the ocean of wisdom. I hope you have what it takes in you to make a change for your life, to live and to be happy. Smile and keep it fresh. Buddha love you, and so do I.